We have got the cups.
Yeah, I like cups.
So you can open up those cups.
I can't believe people could do the experiments now. Could you open
We got
this
little
for me?
individual Kool-Aids.
Yeah,
We're not going to open them.
Yeah, these are only for the people that come there.
Yeah, so we're going to get...
People could be subscribers to us.
Yeah, wouldn't that be neat?
So they could know us.
Yeah. Maybe we'll meet some new friends.
Maybe those people might know us already. Maybe those people might know us already.
Wouldn't that be cool? Look, I think that's perfect.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, so I have that size.
I have every cup.
And then to put them in there, we're just going to do
and
this.
Mine to get tape.
Henry, you ready to get on the train?
You want to try, kiddo?
Yeah. I didn't make it. Our students made it, kids that are not much older than you.
All right, our next presenter is Stephanie Quanto.
This one's a drummer robot. It's drumming, right? But the cool thing is that you can make him drum whatever beats you want him to drum. So you can move these tabs around, put them wherever you want, and you can create your own beats.
You have water? Yes. I should hope so. Because otherwise...
So sunlight is made up of all the different colors of the rainbow, but it's also made up of colors we can't see, called ultraviolet light, infrared light. Ultraviolet light is what makes these beads change color here, and it's also what gives you a sunburn when you're outside for too long. So I've put sunscreen on my beads here, so they're staying fairly pale, but these beads that have been in the sun change color.
Are you doing the scavenger hunt, Henry? And you're finding all the booths?
Oh, we already had. We didn't get it from.
We didn't get that one.
Come around here.
Can you get a stamp, please? Whoa.